ग्यालिलियो ग्यालिलीको जन्म कहिले भएको थियो? 15 फेब्रुअरी 1564। रकेट इन्जिन तथा जेट इन्जिन न्युटनको चाल सम्बन्धी कुन नियमको आधारमा निर्माण गरिएका हुन्? तेस्रो नियम। झुटो पत्ता लगाउन प्रयोग गरिने यन्त्रको नाम के हो? पोलिग्राफ। अप्टिकल फाइबर केसँग सम्बन्धित छ? दूरसञ्चार र सम्प्रेषण। प्रसिद्ध वैज्ञानिक आर्किमिडिजका गुरु को हुन् थिए? युक्लिड। नेपालको अति पिछाडिएको फिरन्ते जाति कुन हो? राउटे। एक गाउँमा 2 महिनाभन्दा बढी नबस्ने जाति कुन हो? राउटे। डोल्पा जिल्लाको मगरहरूले बोल्ने भाषालाई के भनिन्छ? काइके। कुन जातिलाई कारभोटे भनिन्छ? लोमी। बड्का आइतबार कुन जातिले मनाउने पर्व हो चाडो? थारू। What was the gross investment estimated 15th plan of Nepal? $9 billion. How many fundamental rights are included in the Constitution of Kingdom of Nepal 2047? 13. As per the Constitution of Nepal, which unit has the power to borrow foreign loan? Federal. How many articles are there in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights 1948? 32. On which date did the representative of the nation sign on the Charter of United Nations? 26 June 1945. Who invented telephone? Alexander Graham Bell. भिटामिन ए को कमीले लाग्ने रोग कुन हो? Poor vision and blindness. Who is the champion of the Nepal Kabaddi League 2025? Janakpur Knights. When was Security Board of Nepal established? विक्रम सम्वत 2050 ज्येष्ठ 25। Which body is responsible for final auditing of all government account in Nepal? Office of Auditor General. महालेखा परीक्षकको कार्यालय। This article of the Constitution of Nepal has the provision of the selection of public enterprise employees through the Public Service Commission. धारा 243। Which public enterprises is running in management contract? कृषि औजार कारखाना लिमिटेड. Which is not the role of public enterprises in Nepali economy? Technology development and innovation. How many public enterprises are there under in the industrial sector in Nepal? 10. Which category is the Nepal Infrastructure Company Limited placed in public enterprises classification? सर्भिस. नेपालको पहिलो सार्वजनिक संस्थान कुन हो? विराटनगर जुट मिल. A and B together can finish a work in 12 days. If A alone can finish the same work in 20 days, in how many days can B alone finish the work? 30 days. 25% discount is offered on an item by applying a promo code. The customer wins 8% cashback. What is effective discount percentage? 31%. What will be the ratio of simple interest earned by certain amount at the same rate of interest for 2 years 3 months and that for 3 years 9 months? 3:5. Find the probability of getting 3 on dice and head on coin when a dice is rolled and a coin is tossed simultaneously. 1/12. The world's largest inland body of water. Caspian Sea. What is Agenda 21 related to? Environment. Which was the treaty that ended World War I? The Treaty of Versailles. When did King Prithvinarayan Shah conquer Makwanpur? विक्रम सम्वत 1819 भद्र 9. Which indigenous ethnic group of Nepal celebrates Sirua festival? Rajvangshi. Which is of the following is awarded with Madan Puraskar of 2018 BR? Urmal. According to Economic Survey 2081-82, what was the contribution of industry sector in the gross domestic product of Nepal in fiscal year 2080-81? 12.91%. संयुक्त राष्ट्र संघको सदस्यता त्याग्ने राष्ट्र कुन हो? इन्डोनेसिया. युनेस्को को पूरा रूप के हो? United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. समुद्र मन्थन गर्दा निस्किएको विषलाई कसले सेवन गरेका थिए? शिवले। थोमस अल्वा एडिसनको जन्म कहिले भएको थियो? 11 फेब्रुअरी 1847। रेडियो नेपाल स्थापना कहिले भएको थियो? 2007 साल 12 महिना 20 गते। प्राणीहरूको विकासवादी सिद्धान्तका प्रतिपादक को हुन्? चार्ल्स डार्विन। रुख सम्बन्धी अध्ययन गर्ने विज्ञान कुन हो? आर्बोरिकल्चर। अस्पतालमा डाक्टरसित लाग्ने डरलाई के भनिन्छ? ल्याट्रोफोबिया। झाँगड भाषा कुन भाषा परिवार अन्तर्गत पर्दछ? द्रविड। नेपालमा धेरै प्रतिशत साक्षरता भएको जनजाति कुन हो? थकाली। गरिबलाई बन्धक राख्ने प्रथालाई के भनिन्छ? बाधा प्रथा। रगतलाई देखि लाग्ने डरलाई के भनिन्छ? हेमाटोफोबिया। इन्सुलिन केसँग सम्बन्धित छ? मधुमेह।